Roll like a gas, they try to ban my player, I banned it from Minecraft. Tame a doggy with bones, couple creepers pulling up, now they invading my home. I got 2 twins.
Yo, what's up guys? In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a LIL TECCA and YNW MELLY type beat in FL Studio 20. So these beats are fairly simple, nice chords, catchy melodies and bouncy drums, and like the most important part is like to have like the instrumental to have enough space for the artist. So the artist needs to be the main part, like his flow. So that's why I started with really simple chord progression in A major. As you can see, nothing complicated, just 3 chords. After this, I just layered it with a real cool sound I found from Nexus, surprisingly, which is like the most overused VST ever made. And pretty much I copy pasted the chords and added a little variation. After this, I just added a nice bell sound. And finally, for the instrumental bit, for like the second part of the chorus, I added a really nice nylon guitar, which is from Omnisphere again. Again, it's pretty simple. For the drums, the kick is very simple as well. The 808 just follows the chords. The hi-hats, just keep them fairly simple. Like, you don't want like those hardcore Southside rolls in there. So this is like the arrangement I use. It's pretty much down to you. You can do whatever you want. But I started with a 16-bar intro, 16-bar chorus, 16-bar verse, an 8-bar bridge, and back again to the chorus. And in the end, I just added an 8-bar outro, and that's pretty much it. I will let the beat play in the background. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you got any requests, leave them down below, and thank you. See you next time.